Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do the wipe cache partition on the Galaxy phone. This is pretty much clearing all the caches on the phone. Uh, you want to do this about once a month, or just when your phone freezes or doesn't work properly, or just anything happens. This is for most likely every phone, but I'm show you on the Galaxy. So first, turn off your phone. Make sure your phone is fully off. This is for the Galaxy S8, and S8 Plus, but most likely it's gonna work for other Galaxies. So once your phone is fully off, just make sure your phone is fully off first. Just turn it off, and then when it's off, what you want to do is press and hold the volume up key, the Bixby key, and the power key at the same time before you turn the phone on. So those three buttons only. So you might want to use two hands for this one. So press all three buttons at the same time. And when the first screen starts, when you see the Galaxy S8, just let go of the screen. Once it starts, just let go, and this will take you to this blue screen. And this blue screen is going to take you to the recovery screen, but you just gotta wait, just the way it is. So just wait, and wait. Okay, so this is the recovery screen. Besides the wipe cache partition, there's other things to do here, but this one's about the wipe cache partition. So just use the up and down keys on the phone to highlight the wipe cache partition. Once it's highlighted, press the power key to select. So press the power key to select. It's going to ask you to confirm. So just highlight yes, and press the power key again to select. And then it's going to ask you to reboot system now. Press the power key to select, and it's going to restart, pretty much reboot the system. And you're pretty much done. That's it. You just wait. So that's it. So the phone starts, and you just sign in again, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Hope this was easy. Have a great day. Goodbye. Bye.